In this video, I'm going to show you how to run graphical Linux applications on your Windows 10 system using the Windows subsystem for Linux and a Windows application named X410. We're going to be running our graphical application through a Linux program called the X11 Windows System, which is a framework and protocol which Linux can use to build graphical user interfaces. As X11 is just a set of standards maintained by the Xorg Foundation, we need software to implement this protocol, and for that we'll be using a program called XFCE. In the first step, we need to go to the Windows Store and purchase the X410 software. In case you didn't notice, the name X410 is short for X Windows Server for Windows 10. This is a program that we will run in Windows, acting as a client that connects to your Linux server, and it will render the GUI elements for whatever Linux program that you're running. It's very similar to Remote Desktop. Now, when we first open this program, it's going to present a blank screen, and that's because it doesn't have a Linux desktop environment to connect to yet. In order for us to have something to render, we need to install a program on our Linux server called XFCE. We can do that by using the App Package Manager. When I first installed XFCE and gave it a run, I ran into a cannot display error and discovered that this was due to the defaults on Debian Linux. We need to enable an SSH config option named X11 forwarding by setting it to true. And then we need to install two modules, xbase-clients and xauth. There's also another little catch when you're developing on WSL. It requires you to use its own internal IP address for connecting to the display. You can find the IP address by looking into the etc/resolv.conf file. We need to export this IP address to the display environment variable. Now if we run the command xfce4-session, we should be able to return to the X410 application and see our X11 desktop GUI. From here, you can use this desktop to open and run any Linux GUI-based application. If you really like the content of this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.